Did you notice the sentiment score for music has spiked to plus 0.183? That's a significant uptick compared to our historical baseline. While momentum has remained flat at plus 0.000, the sudden increase in sentiment indicates a fresh wave of positivity around music right now, with 19 distinct semantic clusters emerging. This data suggests that listeners are gravitating towards certain themes or genres, which could be a goldmine for your recommendation algorithms. Imagine fine-tuning your playlists or marketing strategies based on this sentiment trend to engage users with content they are currently excited about. Our API returns detailed insights like sentiment scores and semantic clusters, giving you the tools to harness this data effectively. Ready to dive in? Check out the docs at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs.